From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your Siskiyou County Neighborhood Forecast.
Everything Medical has been your complete source for medical supplies since 2007. Our 10,000 square foot showroom has the largest selection of home medical equipment in the North State. We have what you need. Everything Medical, Athens Avenue, Reading.
Welcome to Weather NorCal. This is your Siskiyou County Neighborhood Forecast. Now, this is something, if you've been watching the channel, it's going to kind of be one video after another, so I'm going to be describing this, but basically here's the situation. Northern California desperately has needed to see better regional coverage. And what I mean by that is, yeah, the coverage has been there, but there hasn't been enough focus and attention on a lot of the outlying communities. So I've taken the entire Northern California region, I've divided it into 6 neighborhoods, and one of them is Siskiyou County. Now, I also want to thank Everything Medical for becoming a partner and, of course, sponsoring and being a major sponsor and picking up Siskiyou County as one of the neighborhoods that they will be sponsoring. So very happy for that. And of course, we can't forget about Crown Motors. They came on board first and kind of the pioneers, if you will, to help me get up off my feet and get Weather NorCal started. So we have to thank Crown Motors as well. So here's the deal. We've got an unsettled weather pattern through Wednesday for Siskiyou County. What we're going to be looking at, though, is a big warm-up toward the end of the week. In fact, I think many of us, especially some of the lower elevations, are going to be flirting with triple digits. I mean, even Mount Shasta City could possibly get close to it. Here's what it looks like today. Of course, that's not the case. So we're looking at temperatures low 80s. There you can see a chance for showers and thunderstorms. But when we look at futurecast, you'll see that it's not going to be very widespread. All right, so let's go and take a look at satellite radar. Now, we did see a lot of thunderstorms yesterday afternoon and evening, and even Siskiyou County got in on some of that, where there were even some severe thunderstorm warnings for parts of the mountains as well. But what we're going to see happen here today is another round of thunderstorms popping up. So here you can see Siskiyou County right here. We're going to take you through Monday afternoon. Here's today at 2 p.m. Now you see we're beginning to see a lot of those puffy cumulus clouds develop. That's typical in the mountains, obviously. And just a few light showers at this point. As we go into about 5, 6 o'clock this evening, you start to see, especially for southern and southeastern Siskiyou County, chances for showers and thunderstorms. Now we can't rule out any other places like Happy Camp or Wairika or Dora seeing some activity, but the chances do get a little bit slimmer as you start heading northward. Then we go into tonight, it's dry, and it looks like another round trying to move in on Tuesday. Here's Tuesday at 2 p.m. There you can see even in Scott Valley around Etna, maybe seeing a stray shower or thunderstorm, not to mention Mount Shasta City. Then we go into about 6 p.m. on Tuesday, still seeing that chance for showers and thunderstorms, but you'll notice not as much activity as you head north into southern Oregon. Then we go into Tuesday night, it's dry. Now take a look at Wednesday, and I just want to point this out. Futurecast does want to maybe bring in a stray shower. There may be just enough instability left over to see that, but as we go into Wednesday, and in particular Thursday, our chances for showers and thunderstorms will diminish significantly as we go into the middle and latter part of this week. So there's the long range. There's Thursday. Not even the Sierra is seeing activity. In fact, after Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, through the weekend, and even into next week, we're going to be looking at dry conditions. And then our focus will be the heat wave. Remember I was talking about the potential of flirting with triple digits even in Siskiyou County? Well, that's because of this. We have got above normal temperatures in the forecast, especially in the long range. And when we take a look at our forecast for today, that's of course not the case. Now, you'll notice we've got lightning strikes in pretty much every city here, right? Don't be alarmed by that. This is just a weather alert day. There's a chance that you could see some activity, but as you head north, I think the chances will be slimmer. And look at that, Wairika, you could get up to about 100 degrees over the weekend. Let's take you out into Scott Valley, where Fort Jones, Etna, Greenview, even Callahan could see a stray shower thunderstorm, upper 70s to low 80s for your daytime highs. I'm keeping that chance in there through Tuesday. Then by Wednesday, it looks like it should stay dry and it's warming up mid to upper 90s here throughout the weekend. Let's take a look at your forecast for Siskiyou County, continuing here for Weed at 79. And you see all the lightning strikes. Again, it's not going to be widespread lightning strikes and thunderstorms. we're just going to be looking at a chance for pretty much everyone. It's going to be really one of those few and far between type of situations. And it's even warming up from a cloud in the mid to upper 90s. All right, so here's your 7-day forecast for Mount Shasta City. You'll notice not quite putting those triple digits in there just yet, but it's getting close. I think Saturday will be the peak of the warming trend, and then temperatures should start to drop as we go into the second half of the weekend and early next week.